Today we're diving into a topic I wish I had this kind of advice on when I was 16. How to make money at 16. I get it. You might be thinking, I'm too young for a job, or where do I even start? But trust me, there are so many ways to start earning money right now. No age restrictions, no waiting around for permission. When I was 16, I wanted to make my own money, not just ask my parents for it. And after trying out a bunch of different ways, I finally figured out what worked. I want to share all those tips with you today. So if you're ready to stop waiting for that first paycheck and start hustling on your own terms, keep watching. So, in this video, we're going to go over 3 ways you can start earning money right now. No matter where you live, no matter what your skills are, and definitely no matter what your age is, I'm gonna break it all down in simple steps. Some ideas might surprise you. But first, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my future tips. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's get real for a second. I know how it feels to be 16 and want to make money, but not know where to begin. Back when I was in high school, I didn't even know what freelancing was. The only thing I knew about was minimum wage jobs, like working at a fast food joint or as a cashier at a grocery store. And honestly, I wasn't thrilled about either of those options. So I started thinking a little outside the box. I thought, why wait to get hired? Why not just start making money online? And this was before all these amazing platforms we have today. So it really took some trial and error. My first ever job was working as a small time freelance writer on a random website. I would write articles about anything I was interested in. The pay? Super low, but it was a start. I started building up my portfolio, gaining experience, and I learned one of the most valuable lessons. Everything is about consistency. So, what did I learn from my own experience? You don't need to wait for permission. If you want to make money, start somewhere, no matter how small. In fact, that's exactly what I want to encourage you to do right now. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first way to earn money as a 16-year-old: online freelancing. Alright, let's talk about freelancing. So, what exactly is freelancing? It's pretty simple. Instead of working for a single employer, you work for multiple clients, usually on specific projects. Now, there are a ton of freelancing platforms out there like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and many more. I started out on Fiverr, which is a platform where people offer services starting at $5. But don't let that low price fool you. You can get paid way more depending on the complexity of the task. For example, if you're good at graphic design, writing, video editing, or even something specific like coding or social media marketing, you can offer those services to clients. And honestly, anyone can get started with just a little practice. When I first got started, I was offering simple writing gigs. The clients didn't expect perfection, they just needed content for their blogs or websites. Over time, I got better at it, learned to manage my time, and raised my rates. And soon enough, I was making enough to treat myself to something nice, like my first gaming console. Now, a few tips to get you started on freelancing. Start small, don't expect to land big gigs right away. Focus on getting a few small, manageable projects under your belt. Build a portfolio. Create a small sample of work you can showcase on your profile. The better your portfolio, the more likely people will hire you. Respond quickly. Time is everything in freelancing. The quicker you respond to potential clients, the more likely you'll land that gig. So, whether you're good at writing, graphic design, voice acting, video editing, or something else, freelancing is one of the best ways to earn money as a teen. And it's super flexible too. Content creation. Let's talk about content creation. If you love making videos or creating content, why not turn that passion into cash? Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are perfect for teens to create their own following. Now, I'm not saying you'll get famous overnight. It takes time, hard work, and consistency. But if you enjoy creating funny videos, tutorials, or even just talking about your hobbies, you can start earning money through ads, sponsorships, or even affiliate marketing. One example is my friend, insert name, who started a small YouTube channel about gaming when he was 15. He had just a few hundred subscribers at first, but after a year of consistently uploading, he landed a sponsorship with a gaming company and started earning real cash. If you're not sure what content to create, think about what you're passionate about. Maybe it's gaming, fashion, makeup, or sports. Whatever it is, there's an audience for it. Online, surveys, and market research. So, if you're looking for something a bit more passive, taking online surveys or participating in market research is an option. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Pinecone Research allow you to earn points or cash by answering surveys, watching videos, or testing out products. Now, this won't make you a millionaire, but it's a simple way to earn extra pocket money in your free time. Tutoring. Okay, if you're good at school subjects like math, English, or even science, tutoring is an amazing way to start making money. And it's not just about helping younger kids. People of all ages need tutors, especially during the school year. I know a lot of people who started tutoring their classmates and then gradually expanded to tutoring younger kids in their community. You can do this in person, but you can also tutor online through sites like Chegg, Voicent, or even Facebook groups. You'd be surprised how many people need help with stuff you probably already know. And here's a secret. Tutoring is good money. You can charge anywhere from $10 to $50 an hour, depending on your expertise and how well you market yourself. When I first started tutoring, I began with helping my little cousin with his math homework, and I was charging him $10 a session. Before I knew it, I was tutoring 3 other kids in the neighborhood. So there you have it, guys. The key here is to start today. And don't be afraid to try new things. You're not too young to begin earning your own money, and you can totally do it. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and comment below what method you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update, and share this with your friends who might need some extra cash. Until next time, keep hustling and stay motivated.